अरे अभी मैंने टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू कैरी आउट द प्यूरिफिकेशन प्रोसेस, दैट इज recrystallization, which is the technique to purify the sample. The supporting staff who is supporting us to make ready this video is Mr. Wasif sir, hello. Wasif sir, Pandey ji, hello. So here I am going to take the 2 gram of sample. After measurement, the sample will be the 2 gram. I am taking as it is. I am not going to calculate this one because I want to show you how the compound will get purified. Okay. So I have taken the specific amount of the sample in this paper. Then I am going to dissolve this one in the amount of solvent. Before dissolving that one, I am going to check the purity of that sample, in which the sample will get solubilized partially and get solubilized completely. It will get solubilized at elevated temperature. This is our first criteria to choose the solvent. Accordingly, we have done the choosing of solvent by using different kind of solvent. That is, we have taken 3 solvents. One is acetone, another one is chloroform, and methanol distilled water. So the chosen solvent which is going to fit in our criteria is distilled water. So we are using distilled water as the chosen solvent for purification of this compound. Okay. So now I am going to dissolve this compound in the distilled water, because our first criteria is choosing of solvent, that I have chosen water as a solvent because the partially it is soluble at room temperature and completely it is soluble at elevated temperature. Pandey ji, distilled water dena. Okay. So here I am adding the amount of solvent. The amount of solvent should be 1/4 part of the compound what we have taken. So here I have taken how much amount? See, 100 ml of solvent, 2 gram of my compound. So that it will give me the percentage yield when I am going to calculate the purified compound. Percentage yield पता है आपको कैसे निकालना है? Amount of compound taken before purification and amount of compound obtained after purification. So यहाँ पे मैं अभी इसको रख रही हूँ हीट करने के लिए. Now what criteria I have applied, that is compound is going to be solubilized at room temperature, partially soluble at room temperature and completely get solubilized at elevated temperature. Now I am going to let this compound to get completely solubilized at elevated temperature. तब तक आप लोग थोड़ा वेट कीजिए, हमारा कंपाउंड डिज़ोल्व हो जाएगा, देन विल कम अगेन.